When can a MacBook be revolutionary when it doesn't have a touchscreen, it doesn't flip around? It's when it's $599. We're talking about the cheapest new MacBook that I have ever seen. This is the MacBook Neo. And it comes with a 13-inch display, a good-sized keyboard, the trackpad that you would expect. On the right-hand side here, you have your two USB ports as well as a headphone jack. There's also side-mounted speakers that support Dolby Atmos. So there's one on the left and there's one on the right. Up top here, there's a 1080p webcam. In terms of other specs, it's going to come with 8 gigs of RAM as well as 256 gigs of storage. And it also comes in a bunch of fun colors, but it's really all about the price and what you're getting for that money. So this is an A18 Pro chip that's powering this device, and Apple is promising up to 16 hours of battery life. In terms of colors for the MacBook Neo, right here we have the indigo, but it also comes in silver, citrus, and blush. So it's really up to you. But one thing that's actually kind of cool is that the keyboards are color matched, which Apple doesn't do for its other laptops. So what about trade-offs? The only thing that really sticks out is that the keyboard itself is not backlit, which would be really nice. But I do think that the travel itself is decent so far, so I don't think there's going to be a lot of complaints there. If you're a touch typist, you'll be fine. If you want to have Touch ID built in, you are going to have to spend a little bit more at $699. But I do think a lot of people are going to go for the entry-level model. This could potentially blow away all budget Windows laptops and potentially Chromebooks in one fell swoop. We'll have to see how well it does in our testing, but in terms of the specs and the value proposition, this could be really tough to beat. This is Mark Spoonhour at the Apple launch for the new MacBook Neo.